Hey, it's David Griffin with SCT Performance. I'm going to be showing you how to get a stock upload on your GM vehicle and send it to your custom tuner. First thing we want to do is plug your device into your OBD2 port using the provided OBD2 cable. The OBD2 port will be located on the driver's side under the kick panel. Next, we're going to choose Vehicle Info in the main menu, which is the fourth item down. Once we select that, it'll ask us to turn the key on. Then select Continue. Your device will now recognize your vehicle. Once your vehicle info comes up, what you want to do is verify that your VIN number on your vehicle matches the VIN number that is on your screen. After that, we'll want to return to the main menu. Then we're going to go back up on the main menu to the first option, which is Choose Program Vehicle. After choosing Program Vehicle, we're going to toggle to the left and choose Upload Stock. It's going to prompt you to key on, and then you're going to select Continue. The first thing the device is going to do is it's going to unlock the processor. You'll see a prompt that'll tell you it's unlocking the processor, and this usually takes a couple minutes. You may hear your vehicle chime during this process, but you can ignore this. Next, your device is going to read and save the stock calibration from your vehicle. This step will take a few minutes. Follow the next prompt, which will be to turn the key off and select Continue. Your upload is now complete. The first step, you will open Device Updater, which is a free download on sctflash.com. Next is hooking up your tuning device to your laptop using the provided USB cable. With Device Updater open, we're going to choose Get Stock File from Device. Next, you're going to choose Browse and choose a location to save your stock upload or stock calibration on your computer. Once saved, it will notify you. Next, you can locate the saved file and email this to your custom tuner. The file will be labeled as the VIN of your vehicle with an extension of .sul.